it a nightmare? It's like I'm trying to get back to something that I thought. Oh, you have shown me there are places you can never go back to.
조금 설명해 줘.
Are you still there?